Jamrock Home. Presents The Reject. Jamaican movies full. Starring Sister Petra, Ethic Boss.
Alright, mommy and daddy, later. I mean, no, mommy and daddy, they go take this news here, you know. Trust me. Cause people, they must send me to school to get me proper education, and now this can't happen to me. Let me just call Errol and see where him there. Cause me nah go, me nah know him. I have to go find a way and do sitting about it. Cause me know say mommy and daddy nah go want me there. Oh. Errol, morning, how are you there? Meet me at the same place. I remember say time they go hurry up because we don't want late to school. Me this a left out of me yard. Alright, hurry up.
Better make sure that she have bus here for me, you know, and lunch money, you know. Every morning me have to meet her about same spot. Every single morning I same thing with her. My wife?
Yes, my husband. Yeah, Petra gone to school already?
Yes, my wife, she just get her lunch money and she gone to school, but she never look too pleased, my wife.
So what is wrong with her?
Look like say she the one little more little extra.
Well, we don't have it, and I guess she understands that. You know, I was thinking this morning, you know, I was saying to myself that, why she make me proud, sir.
Yes, my wife, you can see that she holding up her head, you know.
Yeah, oh my God, when I look at her little face, when I look at it, you know, remember a lot of these children, you know, they don't have nothing about them, you know.
That's true.
And they make them parents shame. You see how we never picnic them tan? You see the amount of them who drop out of school?
Exactly, my wife.
They all expel some of them. Why did they picnic? They're all them destructive, sir.
My wife, I don't think I could live with myself if me hear say Petra get out of control, you know.
Our daughter won't do nothing like that. You know, see how she hold up her head? She try her best to make me proud, so
yes,
we can't say anything. You see all that there neighbor there? You see how in daughter this come up so and breathe. You see how much picnic from she drop out of school she have?
And she not even say make she go back to school or nothing.
No
ambition school. She don't have the
not
wife.
even one. You know see how much picnic papa she have? She have 3 picnic and she not reach nowhere yet.
Mighty God.
She just they got turn 18 and had 3 picnic and they don't even have nothing for yam, not even food for yam. And you can imagine the mom must feel shame.
She have to.
And when she
because
look over,
the kids them let her down big time.
and she try, you know. And when she look for Philly picnic and see how she is they grow nice and she just do every little thing to please we.
Yes, my wife, she must feel a way and I feel it for the mother, you know.
But have to
right?
we are neighbors.
Because you can't know when of them pick me intention, you know, my wife. So we that even swear for our one because we don't know where she will come out to be, you know, my wife.
I understand, but we are not swearing for her. It's just the way how she hold up her head.
Yes.
That's why what we don't do. Scatter roses after she gone. She's doing a good job, man.
That's
so we
true,
have to
wife.
tell her when she's doing a good job.
That's very true.
We don't want to swear for her nor anything, but she could have never go do nothing wrong and to see how we they suffer. Look at the place. The place want fix up.
My wife all out of door turn bad, you know. My wife I can't manage you. She said me sick from what the
I know, my baby, I know. And if I did feel good too, I would go and chop out there, but I don't feel good at all.
All the window me want buy a couple more blades for put in the window, my wife, but why?
Where are you going to get money from? And we don't have anybody giving us anything. Where are we going to get the money from to fix the window?
My wife, what I was saying, like how your Monica good friend, my wife.
right?
Mm-hmm.
What you think about if you could ask her if when she coming down, if she could carry a laptop for Petra so she can get to do more research and can get to do her exam and so little better.
Oh Lord.
You know that she gonna have SBA soon, you know, so she are gonna need a little laptop.
You know, that's a good idea. I really have to smile because I didn't know you were thinking
Yes,
so much of
wife.
our daughter. That's a good idea. And you know that she will bring it for us, you know. And worse, when we tell her that she's doing good in school and so, she will help us.
I think
So I'll call her later and let she know and when she coming down. Because I think she says she coming down next week. So when later on, I'll call her and let she and tell her about it.
Yes,
You hear?
my wife, because we have to make preparation from now, you know, my wife. So
Of course,
you can
of
get
course.
familiar with the laptop and stuff like that, my wife.
That is true. That is true. Because we never have that, you know, and even though we pour on something, we have to really push out
Yes,
hard
we have
for her
to push out.
to become something great in life.
Yes, my wife.
So she can take me out of this poverty. Eh? Look how we just suffer. Maybe that's why she working so hard at school.
Yes, my wife, you know that we're struggling and we try our best to make sure that she don't miss a lesson.
Yes. So, why me I tell her? So I don't feel good like how you say she don't look so pleased with the little money. But she know that that's what you have and she don't normally complain.
No, she never did a complain, but you can see the look on her face that she not really pleased, my wife. She not complaining. You know that girl don't complain.
Okay.
She know how to satisfy.
Okay, so alright, well. Say me no know how me man I go take this here, you know. You don't know how him I go take this here. But he have to take it because him breed me. Oh, because my parents say me sure I know say them not go take this here. No, they don't tell me to come out of them place, so he have to put me up. Better mind how he all talk to me like today. Oh, every day him come him a problem. Girl, like I say, he have problem more than anybody else. Me can't talk to him about nothing. But me no business if he want vex today. If they chat to him and make him know what they happen. Oh. That me a tell him. Yes, me sit down here suffer when I you this they crawl and come.
So you never wait up there, so when make me have to come way down here suffer now.
Ah, yeah, so me want to talk to you. So you they go long suffer.
Late in a man.
Yeah, mosquito they bite me.
Sure.
And now you know say you're late, then if you know say you're late, why you then come out early?
You couldn't wait for me up there, so.
Me then want to wait there, so. Me no make you there drop and tap till life on me. So what, morning? You know hear me say morning? You come and you this galang so what me do you? Give me a kiss. Say the galang so for every day you have to vex up yourself.
Me late, me have exam this morning.
So because your exam you have to vex up on me. Me can't talk to you one time and you're pleasant. So you eat breakfast already?
Yes.
How you eat this morning?
Egg and bread meat, where you eat?
Egg and bread. A tea and crackers my parents them give me because you know so they can't afford it already. You don't know that?
So your father chop out the yard yet?
Nah, my father still not feel good. You can't come chop out it. I know you are me man. He don't feel good and my mother not so hot neither. So they are tan same way. And me go to school so me can't do it.
Saturday morning we come down there and chop it out, but you have to help me chop it out.
Why me have to help you chop out it? Everything you do you want me to help you. Me have something to tell you, you know, and that's why me call you.
Hurry up and tell me you tell me, because make me get hot and frustrated right now. You know.
My God,
hurry
Galang,
up to go to school. You know.
well, me pregnant.
What?
Simple as that. It look like me pregnant. Because every minute me...
For who? For
Pregnant for you? Which Delroy? What you dey chat about? Me get up a morning time and me dey feel sick every minute all a night too. And it look like say mommy kinda suspect so. Me no know.
That's not my pitney.
What you mean by enough for your picnic? I know
So
you
me
every
hear
minute.
them a call up your name with Delroy.
You hear them they call up me. Listen to me. You hear them they call up me name with Delroy.
What you mean? If me hear them a call up
me
a call up your name in a school with Delroy.
Stop tell lie for me, boy. And every minute me and you go to school together, and me and you each up at school together.
I know my pitney that. Me not ready for
I feel picking. Oh, you mean say I no feel? So why you they try tell me say now? Every minute you see me, you want do go with me, and now when me look like me pregnant, you know want the picnic.
I know my pitney that. But you know buy one Pepsi and put rusty nail in it and drink it.
And when me drink Pepsi and rusty nail now, a killer want kill me.
No, then say that dash your belly.
Lord have mercy. Lord God. You really want me that show me first pregnancy?
Me no want no pitney. Me have
Oh, you mean
school,
say-
you know, me no want.
Oh, so when you they call me every minute if you do go, you then know say me could breed.
So why you never buy protection?
Oh, you know see say me parents them now no money. Why you never buy condom? Why you never buy the condom? You come and pregnant me and now you they come talk about why me? You blame me.
So like how your name a call up with Delroy. When you just give Delroy.
Me can't give them right because me
not
no
ready for this. Me not ready for this yet.
What make you say me figure them right? Oh God. Errol, like seriously, you don't know say me no go so because everywhere I me and you there and people know and now you don't tell me say figure that man you pick me.
Yes, my mother hear this now. What you think say she gonna do to me?
Oh no, yeah. Well, look here, me sorry for you. Because when for me parents here, you know say me can't take because they don't live nowhere. So you know say your parents have to take me in. You have to take me in. And that me call you to tell you.
I'm not ready for no responsibility. Where me?
So when,
Yes, you
look
go buy the
here.
Pepsi later and gain.
You don't go buy butter, you don't go drink it. Look here. Why you never keep that willy in your pants then? You should have keep
So
it
why you
what?
never keep your something in your panty same way?
Are you every minute you look
Yes,
me?
you know.
Every minute you take out your words but you want something. So that is what causes the problem. That's why we pregnant. No one of the two are we pitney. So are you me sorry for?
Babes, we not ready for no pitney yet. You deaf?
So what you want me to do? Kill off myself and we picnic.
So why you not do the drink the Pepsi?
Me
when
not drink none. Me never have that. I mean never plan to do that.
So you-
if
so-
my mother did drink Pepsi and rusty nail, I wouldn't be here for you pregnant me.
So oh,
So me no know. Me not
babes,
going
so you
to
not
do
worry
it.
about what your mother gonna say?
Me worry about why my mother go say, but you me no say. You have to take me not too worry.
Me have to take care of me now have no house. How me gonna take care of me now have no house?
Why you raise your voice for me for? You should have known that before you take out your horse. My parents them no live nowhere. You see, say from when you hear me say me want to save up for you buy one window put in. And me can't save because every minute me come to school you want lunch. And you don't go want lunch. You want me pay your fare. And you see say me no have no money, you distress me. So too bad you have to take up your responsibility now. You see say me parents them sick. Every minute you see me, you want this, you want that, and then I work sometime I borrow the money if you send me to school. And now you're pregnant me, eh? And then they tell me every minute, say me if you come get me good education, come help them. And this you do to me.
You gonna wait till later you tell me this a news and now me have exam. Oh, me go focus.
Oh,
You
so
gonna
who the
wait till
hell?
later you tell me this, man.
So me alone fi take his stress. Me not take no stress by myself no more. That we do man then too stupid. Everything then keep in a their heart and make it they kill them while man they kill them teeth. Well look ya, it was with us sad. Just make preparation for me and your picking. Oh. You tell your mother as you go home cause before my parents them
Me not tell my mother nothing.
take me.
Me not tell my mother nothing. Me I tell her say I know my picnic at Delroy. You
Tell
can
her
name a
what?
call up. Yeah, me not tell Delroy. You better give Delroy.
Where you are go?
You better give Delroy that. You hear me I tell you? Me no want that.
Me can't believe it. Say you really go left me and not give me a proper. Me can't believe say you not tell me nothing proper in me years old.
You hear me say to give Delroy. Me then not talk to you there, you know. You better know don't come near me at school.
Oh, you mean say me not fi come near before so me tell everybody. Oh, you better wait for me. You not hear me say wait for
Me
me.
and now go to school together. You def say after today me and you now go to school. What What dear? What am to you?
Oh, you mean what I'm doing? Me no tell you what I'm doing already. Say me there man in sickness. You know what me now, but I got no school. Me dey go home and go tell for me mother. Oh,
Me not tell you
that me
say
I
to wait
tell you.
until later me buy the Pepsi. But you go home go tell your mother and cause another problem.
Me nah
We
cause
can
no
get over this
problem.
thing here easy without nobody knowing.
Yes, we don't get
and
over
me
it
and you alone know,
easy.
you know.
And me and you alone know, but yeah, you know, me nah go to school because me no feel good and me no want no chaos at school. Fi make teacher them here and see what they happen. So me dey go and go tell my parents.
And so me
And
know
me
say you
sorry
never
for you.
love me, you know.
Oh, you mean say me never love you?
So
Oh.
why you go home for me not tell you say me could just go to school and then me buy the Pepsi
You
and
know-
tea and everything we over, you know. Your mother not fi know, my mother not fi know. We can just done with this thing here in a secretly, you know.
Oh God, I'm sorry for you. You know say you're mad. Me say me not taking any Pepsi nor no rusty nail. Me never hear of that. Me don't know of that. And you can't make me drink dirty nail. Look here, you better prepare for what don't happen. Cause you see when me go and go tell for me mother, me sure know say then don't pack me up and carry me go your parents.
Carry go
So
out
when
for
they
yard.
carry me go there, your
Them-
parents will come
You're
to
right.
dig you out of school.
You're right. Them a go pack you up and carry go Delray yard. Not for me yard.
Which
Not for me
then
yard.
right?
Me not ready for no responsibility yet.
Let me tell you
Listen
something.
what me a try to tell you say. Me not ready for no responsibility yet. So me a tell you say, give that right, cause if they come at me yard, me a go tell my mother say, I no feel me picnic. Me no know you. So you hear what me a say? So try make it right from now. Make we go to school and then we buy the Pepsi, lunchtime, and me give away for you. You hear me tell you say?
Well, all right.
Right now go end pretty between me and you if you go
Me
from
glad
mother
you know
yard.
say now go end pretty because you're a wicked boy. Me never know the color of the other boy underpants. And you they force me to tell lie on the poor bikini. Well, all right. Since as you they threaten me, but say now go end well with me and they fix up yourself, so me go and show you who is me because you go like you want to rule me every minute. Me they go straight at me and go tell
Me
me.
I go do my test, you know. You're lucky.
God, we are. God, me I beg you. Me always used to hear people say, when you pray, you answer prayer. Now me I beg you, attend unto me prayer, God, from the ends of the earth. You see what happened to me I know, you know? I need your help. Please, please me I beg you, if no other time you no help me now, because I know my parents them. I wonder how me I go tell mommy this now, you know, God. When mommy see me come back from school, with all this go to him, mommy don't say, Mommy, me pregnant. No, sir, that not sound right. Me don't say, Mommy, you know say Errol pregnant me. That could never sound good. Mommy, that this lick off my face. Me don't this say, Mommy, me feel like me pregnant. Oh God, you see them a problem you know. You see what and me one in this now, you know. Me one in this. Me no know what he said to me mother. Me no know how she a go take it. But then again, at the first grand picnic me mother have, so maybe she want it. But then again, after we no live nowhere. And the shame what me don't cause for me, ma. I don't know what to say, man. Anything happen, I just saw it thing set up. This say going on this. Say anything come at me mouth, me this say. Anything she want do me, she do me. But one thing me know, nobody now make me get rid of this pregnancy here. Oh, I mean want my picnic. Oh. My husband is who pulling the door. You didn't tell me that Petra gone to school.
Yes, my wife, Petra gone. Petra? What you doing back here?
Daddy, Mommy, me have something to tell you now. That's why me turn back and I go to school.
What you mean say you have something to tell us?
Open your mouth. I don't understand. I don't understand. Mommy, me pregnant for Errol and me sorry.
Mighty God.
Pregnant? I'm not pregnant. She said she pregnant.
And that she said my
I
wife.
don't think so.
So in a over she
You,
my wife.
wait, what you really said to us that you're pregnant, you have a baby, a picnic, they carrying in your gut?
Not in here. Not in here, my wife.
So why you come back from school and stand up there telling us that? Mommy, me never mean for this and me no. Me no know what happened to me. Me no know what come over me make this Listen to me. All I am saying to you, right now I can't deal with this. You hear we were just talking about the little girl say how she doing well and make us proud. And you see what the little girl do to us? Listen to me, go pack up her yap them. And carry her go up her Errol yard. Make Errol parents deal with it because listen to me, you see say we don't live nowhere.
My wife.
She cannot stay here.
And we just see her talking so good about her. You see what me tell you, my wife say you can't swear for them picnic.
Lord have
Look how the
mercy.
little girl left with them. Eh?
She's a disgrace. And she said that before we about she pregnant.
My wife? My wife? I'm right
Please.
up her mother yard me I go right now with her.
Move her out of my side.
I can't believe her.
Take her out of my side. I beg you in the name of God.
Me I go get out of this situation here, you know. I wonder how me I go get out of this situation here. I'm going to tell Petra she should drink the Pepsi and the rusty nail and the girl, she just don't want to listen to me in a star. My mother hear all this, you know, I don't even know what she going to do to me, you know. I know that she going to get rid of me, you know. My little girlfriend at school. Oh, she going to manage her in time she hear all this. You know what kind of lie me can tell my mother right now to get out of this trouble here, you know. Because I know so when time Petra she go up there, you know, one piece of bangarang she go cast up there, you know. Call my girlfriend and make she know what I go on from early, you know. Just fed up, you know. Doesn't know what to do, me I tell you the honest truth. I don't know what to do.
Hello?
Babes, they reach at school yet?
Yes, I just reached at school and I'm wondering how I don't see you yet.
One piece of something just happened to me a while ago, you know.
What happened? You alright?
You know, say Petra tell me, say she don't even know if to tell you. Me I tell you the honest truth.
What happened? What happened?
Me see Petra this morning and she tell me, say she pregnant for me.
What do you mean that Petra says she's pregnant for you? You see how long I've been warning you about this girl? You see how long I've been warning you? I tell you to come out of that girl company, you know. And now you tell me that she said that she's pregnant for you.
Babes, remember say, you
Listen
tell me
to-
say she and Delroy there, you know, babes.
Yes, me tell her say she and Delroy, they Mr. She and Delroy together, but listen to I this a call me to tell me in the morning. I this a call me to tell me in the morning. The only thing I have to tell you is stay here. You see, if she really pregnant for you, it's over.
Babes, hear me and say, I just too, she know say my mother have money make she a babes say, you know. She just want to give me the pitney and I know say I know my pitney babes.
You know say it's not your child. You got there before?
One
You never
time
go
me
there.
ever do it. One time I remember me tell you, you know.
Yes,
One
you
time
tell me,
can't,
but
one time can't pregnant somebody babes.
listen to me. Listen, you see if you did keep your hood in your pants, you see if you did keep your stick in your pants, this won't happen. You hear what me have to say? And as long as, listen me, if this really happened, listen, I don't have anything to say to you. I can't deal with you right now.
Babes. Jesus Christ, mighty God. I really get myself, you know. Better me come go. I will really get myself in now. Everything just a turn against me. Every single thing just a turn against me. But I'm go up a yard before all Petra she reach up there and go tell my mother this, you know.
You're not staying at the house another night. Not another night you're not staying at the house.
Daddy, me sorry.
Take this back from me.
Daddy, me never mean be pregnant me.
Listen to me. Take this back from me and take out your clothes them from out of the drawer. You're not turning here another night. Me and your mother work so hard to send you go to school to get a good education, right? We just pay for your CXC. And look what your cost for we now. Close up your mouth and that you need to do. Without you never give him it, he couldn't get it. The two of them walk together, so the two of them agree. It's a bird of a feather flock together, and you and him flock together. Mister, take out everything out of the jar and left a piece in here. We don't want nothing in the house to remember you're from. You got disgrace to us. 1 year you have leave back in a school and look where your cast far away. Look how me and your mother put you up in the sky. And look there. Your job, you make a job right for our face.
Daddy, I'm sorry.
Every day we talk about the neighbor them picnic. And look where you come. Mister, take out everything out of the jar. You don't want nothing for you in the house. Take them out. Petra, no make me get irritably in this house here, no Petra. You hear what me say? What could have come over your Petra? You see this state when me and your mother live in a poverty, right?
Daddy, I
say shut your mouth. You see me and your mother in a poverty, right?
Yes, Daddy.
Not even window we can buy if you finish putting a the other part of house.
Daddy, I go buy with me.
If you don't want to buy it, you don't get pregnant?
No.
Petra,
Era say my contract 40 years.
Petra, listen to me. You is a disgrace to me. You bring shame coming out with yard. The people look down upon with Petra.
Daddy, me never mean because she a pound. Me sorry.
God, I never know that shadow would have come in my yard. You come and try with this girl. You come and try with your Petra.
Forgive me, Daddy,
good
please.
thing to give you, Petra. Everything where you want me and your mother try to give you.
I know everything, Daddy, but I'm satisfied too. I know everything you wanna give me.
Come out of the face, Petra. Come out of the face. You're a disgrace. Straight up around here, there you go.
Can't Tanya. She going up at the boy yard right now. She cannot stay here. I don't care if him want to take her in, she can't stay here because we live nowhere. Where we going to put him? Him on the picnic. Eh?
No, but this year, no, you can train out, you know, and don't breed around, don't food with everything, we have this making.
What do you mean by we have to take her? I cannot keep her. You don't see the state where we're living in? What do you think our neighbor going to say when they see the little picnic girl with big old gut? And we send her go to school and they only picnic where we can take shame out of we eye?
No, but we know, and up the money and the rest of that we buy you there.
That is what you think. Well, I mean, well, she cannot stay here. She's so dry. Suppose you see how she tear out the eye looking on both of us, but I have something. You know, right now I feel like I would have ripped her to shred. Well, alright, that's your opinion. I cannot do anything about it, but she can. Yes, honey. Alright, sweetheart. Tell you what, I'll call you back later. You hear?
Yeah, mama.
Alright, have a good day. What is it now, honey?
Honey,
you take her and bring her up the as yet?
no, honey, me leave
So what you waiting on?
Me tell her to wait for me outside.
Why? I don't want to hear something, then you want the people them.
You just called a while ago.
I just called somebody because I couldn't keep it anymore. Me call Riley, simple as that. Because I just couldn't take it anymore. I feel like I was going to explode.
Honey, me I tell you the honest truth, honey. I feel weak. I don't know if I can go on here. I feel weak.
You have to get strength to go up there with her. Well, send her up there on her own then if you don't want to go with her. Because I would be ashamed to. You think I would go up there with her?
Honey, look how hard we work. We send that little girl go to school, honey. Huh?
And this is the pay that she give to us. This is the thanks.
You know when me I take up her little thing then. You know what the girl said to me, honey?
What she said to you?
I talk about say, it's Errol's fault.
Oh,
I tell her that bird of a feather
flock together.
Right? Petra is a disgrace.
Of course she's a disgrace.
I tell her that she's a disgrace.
Look where we are. We don't have anything. She see how we struggle to send her to school and this is the pay? My God, I can't deal with it. I cannot deal with it.
I tell you, I feel weak, my wife, but I can't have her in the house, not even for your next second.
No,
I don't want to see her anymore, my wife. I let you take out every clothes out of the job. I don't want to remember her, my wife. I tell you the honest truth.
I don't blame you, my husband. You think I blame you? I don't blame you. You can imagine, look, both of us, we can't even walk, we can't even work for anybody. Sometimes we have to borrow the money to send her to school.
And look what trouble come right in our yard.
She not have no ambition, you know. She telling you about his Errol.
Wife, when me come to tell you, say me a leave out now.
Go ahead, my husband. Go ahead.
Mighty God.
This girl want to tear us and rip us to shred. This girl want to finish us.
You see the long journey where you have me a walk? You see the long journey where you have me a walk? Eh? You see this stupid decision where you make now? You see where it costs? Disgrace for me and your mother. When everybody find out say you're pregnant, what you think that go happen? One bag of chatting. We respectably in the community. Now everything come down for we. Huh?
So daddy, if people want chat, so if people want chat.
You're alright with this, you know.
No.
But we will ring off your ears. You hear what me I say? We will ring off your ears.
Daddy.
The best thing you do right now is better you shut up your mouth. Yes, Miss Monica, you is the right person I want to see.
Why I am the right person you want to see now, Mr. Jeremiah?
You know say your son Errol pregnant me daughter Petra?
Yes, Errol pregnant me. My son Errol could have never pregnant she. Errol would have never do that. And him knows him having future ahead of him. You must be crazy or something.
What you mean by Errol have a bright future in front of him? Petra did have a bright future in front of her too, and him destroy her future.
Yes.
Go over there.
Yes, he
pregnant
me.
What you mean by where me going? I'm going home. She's your responsibility now.
Mr. Jeremiah. Mr. Jeremiah.
What happened?
You cannot leave her.
Suppose you push me down.
I'm not pushing you down, sir, but you cannot send her over me yard like that.
So where is she going to go?
Sir, she cannot stay over there. Because you can't just leave her your yard and show her about say my son breeder. How you sure is my son?
It is your son.
It is not because these young people nowadays, Mr. Jeremiah, have more than one man. You don't know that, so why is my son
future ahead of her, and you can't tell me that she have more than one man?
I'm not sure, but what I'm saying, your daughter can't come blight it, me pick me future. So you cannot send her over there.
This is a police matter. So the police is going to get involved.
All right, Mr.
When the DNA do we see if it's your son?
All right, no bother with that, man. No bother with that. Well,
you calm down now.
No, it's not that I
calm
down.
But
now. What I'm saying, sir, is that you don't approach the matter properly.
I approach it very well.
Mr. Jeremiah, that's not how you deal with things, man. Now I'm supposed to reach and deal with a patient shortly. And look how you come to me, man. You're
looking at me? You're looking at me? You see the disgrace so you call down for me in the neighborhood?
Alright, load up your voice, man. Nobody load up the thing, make people hear. Go on over there and sit in the dining room till I come. Mr. Jeremiah, you cannot deal with things like this, you know, so you want to embarrass me? Don't embarrass me in the district. You know that I'm a real respectable lady.
I am not the one that is disrespecting you or embarrassing you. Your son didn't know to keep his willy in his pants. That is what causing the problem right now.
But you cannot say that about my son, sir, because you're not sure is my son child.
So that's what you're trying to say. My daughter is telling me lie.
I'm not saying that, sir, but I'm just saying that young people always tell lie, you know, a little bit of lie.
Not
you
the daughter.
What I'm saying?
Not the daughter.
So how you
right?
sure are your daughter, sir? Well, all right, listen to me. I don't want to fight with you guys because I don't want people to hear me mouth. You know that people don't really hear me mouth.
So the whole district are going to know.
Tone down, man. Come on, man. Turn down your volume, man. It's too loud. Well, all right. Tell you what, we have to deal with this more professionally. Let you stay over there for tonight. Or you shouldn't come and let me talk better than this, man. All right. If he's my son child, right? I will take very good care of the child.
But you have to.
Take time now.
And you have to send her back to school.
Send her back to school? It don't look like she wants to go back to school.
What you mean by that?
All right, tone down. The point is I just don't want these embarrassments on my son, you know.
Well, it's on him already. So you're going to make him start for school and take care of his responsibility.
I am very...
Else I'm going to work hard and get a lawyer and put on this case.
Don't do that, sir. Don't do that. My son is not going to stop from school because it's the last year for him. And he will be going to college shortly. So, but no worry about your grandpick me, you hear? I'll take very good care of her or him, you hear? All right, man. Calm down. Calm down. My God. I saw in here so look good. In your pretty, sir. I first me see them the pretty curtain. My God. Lord have mercy. Me catch a me man yard. I one thing me know. This a bikini a lick me right to heaven. Me like he place. I should have a long time me live up here so come me no like for me yard. You want something to eat and drink. Me can't be. Watch out that fridge stuff. And there are so much thing in it. Me thirsty for sun when too hot. How are this in here, so? How are this that? It smell like potato pudding. Yes, old girl. Well, I did hungry bad. From morning. From morning. They will come down with a pregnancy. My mother-in-law said me to relax myself. If I come over, I can relax. I'll him up here, they live them your life here. Have everything in a fridge, and when he done, he come to school and stress me out about him want this a big lunch and that day. And 2 pence so me can want yummy from me. Well, me and him up here. Me and him. Oh. Look, I can have everything up at this place here. Eh? Everything. It's just nicer. What a boy wicked. When me done, me go be a big king. I wonder how would be at this. It tastes real good though. Tastes real good, I'm going to get a piece of this to come at school. Come give me my mini.
Mommy.
Oh, that sound like a...
Mommy.
That sound like a error.
How we are do ya?
Oh, you mean I want
How
me
we
to
are
do
do
that?
for me yard? Me not tell you say enough to come up on me.
Let's go take off on me bag and move from before me.
We are do up here.
Let me tell you off on me bag and move from before me, boy.
Where my mother there?
Your mother said she gone downstairs
Mommy.
back on me. Your mother not here. She gone and want work, gone look after somebody, and she said
Where you tell my mother?
me must make myself comfortable. Me tell her I said me pregnant for you. That me tell your mother.
Listen me.
Let go of me and me lick off your
Me
head
know
up
where
your
you're
body.
up to, you know.
Move yourself from here, sir.
Me know where you're up to, you know. Who gave me pudding?
Me take it out of the fridge and yam me cause me hungry. So then I like you open your yard and live and then yam me out when you come to school.
Actually, you know, say me have my girlfriend at school, you know. And that make
Which
you have to look up for
girlfriend?
me, you know.
Force up on who?
And that
Force
make
up.
you-
Take your hand out of my face.
And that make you want
Take
to come
your-
give me this
if you
up,
ever-
you know.
Give it.
And mash you want to mash up my life.
You're lucky. Then, sure, me no, let me tell you something, me hungry, you hear me? And me don't want you draw me out today. Don't make me deal with you,
You
you know.
know, say that I feel me pick me, you know.
And you're
Actually,
picking,
you know, say my woman want to take me up, that's the problem.
well, whether it's you're picking it or not, you are getting it because you know the reason why? Is me and you, everybody see, and that's final. And let me make me name my breakfast in a piece, you know. Come we tear you up, you know. Oh, that me I tell you. When me done me they go bed. And you go and show me where the bathroom there. Move from before me too. Me say move from before me. Move from me say.
You
Move
want to
away
take
from
over my
me.
mother house.
Take
you know.
over what?
You see,
Take
you want
over
to
what?
take over my
You
mother
rich
house.
you never know say. You never know say me no live nowhere you shouldn't come disturb me and try destroy me life. You go and see who for life and destroy
You think
ya.
you're going to stay your favor? You think you're going to stay your favor?
Why you gonna do about it? Why you gonna do about it, boy? Why you
I
gonna do
report
about
to my mother, please.
No, come touch me,
Don't
man.
touch
No.
my mother,
Come touch me, man. Take up. If you're bad, come. I know that you feel do error. Error. See me bag ya. See me bag ya. Move it from off of the table. Move it if you think say I feel your place. You think you can run me out? You think you can run me out here?
You see, a warrior want to take place in this place.
Why me want you? Still want me a warrior. I want me a warrior.
You like how you
black.
talk too big in my mother house, you know. You like how you talk too big in my mother house, you know. Come go your yard.
Come go. Move
Come
from
go your
here.
yard.
Me not go nowhere. Cause your mother tell me every time you make myself come. Me not go nowhere. Move from here, sir. I'm going to throw my bathroom then make me fresh up myself. That's your fiddle. The pudding tastes good. I will be acting. Tastes real good. I want to freshen up myself. Me hot, you see? You're not hot? Me hot body, sun is hot, sir. I sun turn up to nowadays. I look for me, sir.
If I look by you, I know say you and your family my destruction, you know. I don't know where I put myself in this a destructive family.
You're late. You're late. You could have blow like a bull. You're late.
Go in my room until my
Go your room. You better show me where your room they can in me they sleep with you. Go your way they go let you feed you. And me tell you something, go show me where the bathroom there, you know. Oh. Oh, that tastes good.
My wife?
Yes, my husband.
I have a long day, my wife.
How did it go?
My wife, I'm tired.
Alright, come and lay down a little bit. I was just dozing away, you know. Oh Lord, you look so mashed up. So what happened? It turned out alright? What happened?
My wife, Errol's mother give me a warm time, you know.
She give you a warm time for what? So where's the little girl?
My wife, I didn't even know where to start, my wife.
What you mean you don't know where to start? So where she's at? You bring her back here?
No, my wife, I tell her
Oh.
to go over Errol's yard.
Okay, that sounds good. I like that.
Imagine my wife, right?
Mm-hmm.
I go there and I see the woman going to say she a go a work. You understand what I'm saying, my wife? And I tell her what took place. Here where the woman a come tell me, say, no, my wife. If me sure say, me with daughter no have more than one man.
What the hell you saying to me? What you mean by she tell you say our daughter have more than one man?
Yes.
Me no say my daughter not telling any lie. I know that. Where she get her rubbish and her garbage from? She know that we raise up her picnic very well.
My wife, the woman
Don't
a
get me
beat
upset.
round the bush, she a beat
Don't
round the
get
bush,
me
she a
upset.
beat round the bush, my wife. Me I tell you.
I don't understand what you're saying to me because, you see, I was the one go up there and she said that to me. I would lend her this right hand in her face.
My
You know
wife,
that?
one of the time,
I would have lent it to her.
walk. The woman run down for me and hold me, nearly drop me and my wife. Me a fear say to her, say, what you want to do? Push me down.
You ask her if she want to push it,
She
so
a
you
say-
don't chuck her back down.
No, my wife.
Oh,
She there and she a saw soap me a tell me about say me no feel load up in the district like say everybody now gonna know say she pregnant.
Everybody have to know.
Huh?
So what she want to do, just because them think that them better off than us. So she don't want anybody to know that our boy pregnant with
No,
picnic?
she want
Is that?
she want we just sweep it under the carpet like say nothing never happened.
Okay.
I tell her I'm not into that. The
Not
whole
at
district
all.
wanna know about
And
it.
we going to tell everybody, so if she go hide the pregnancy, we won't hide it.
Exactly
So too bad
right.
if she want to hide it. You hear what I said? Because them go like them better than other people. Well, if them did better than other people, why she never talk to her son? If she feels that we too down there, she should have never make her son pregnant with picnic.
My wife, what is the beauty about this situation, you know, my wife? If me dey ever see the boy, you know, my wife, me no know it da work out, you know, because me and him da roll a dirty, you know.
How you mean if you
I
want
would
to go
have
that
throw
road?
me walking stick, and when me climb up, you know, my wife,
You would have show him who is the man. And you would have to teach him that he must keep him pee-pee pot in and clothes and don't use it on people picnic. Because him spoil with nice, good up clean picnic. Future then now.
my wife. Where you think our church brother and sister them are gonna say now where this happen? This shame come in our yard, eh?
They are going to look bad on us. They are going to say that we know all these things and they know that we are struggling and we try to grow the picnic the right way, but they're going to say all manner of evil now that this happened. You know that they're going to say all manner of evil. Who is going to stand up and say that we're trying to raise her properly? Huh? Nobody is going to say anything. But I am glad you take her up there. So
Right.
she that about you, they load it up. Tell her no worry herself because we're going to make everybody know what is happening.
My wife,
Oh.
I'm telling you, my wife, I feel so bad. Look how we daughter have a bright future
She's
ahead
so
of her.
bright. She's a bright little
What
girl, you
could
know.
have come in her arm, my wife? Tell me now.
I
What
don't
could have
know.
come in her arm to
I
do
cannot-
such stupid thing? Huh?
We never know that she was so stupid. We never know, you know.
Look how we sit down with her and we counsel her. Eh?
I hope she sending her back to school. She not only make she don't stay up there and have pure bikini. I
Send her
hope
back
it,
to school. You hear what she said to it?
what she said to us.
She say, but say, our daughter no look like she want go back to school.
So,
My wife, when the woman
After she
said
so
that to me, my wife, me I tell you say, a piece of rage coming on me heart, you know, my wife.
I don't,
Only God alone himself take away that anger from me, you know.
what she
Because
wrote?
our son do that to his daughter, and she a come suggest that.
And she don't say anything about her son. She don't say anything. She don't say her son wrong and should keep him pee-pee pot where it belongs. She don't say nothing.
Nothing at all, my wife. Only thing she a do a pick up for the boy. Pick up for the boy. Pick up for the boy. And I talk about say, if it's a boy or a girl, it's gonna in good hands. Like
Oh,
say,
Lord.
she did a wait on something like this.
What you saying to me? But if she was waiting on something like this, she wouldn't tell her to keep it on a low profile. So that means she confused. Let me tell you something. You see that woman? She go on like she clean and nice, but you know that it look like her mother knock her head when she did have her.
To me,
It's like he dropped the baby and her head knock. Because she could never in a night clean clothes and chatting like a fool. Why all the time these people that dress nice look good and all of that, them head never right?
they never have a good upstairs.
You go to the madman, they have a good upstairs, you know that?
And
They
a
talk
good
so.
reasoning ability.
That's what I'm
Because
saying. They're conscious of what they're saying.
my wife,
Huh? Jesus. My husband, I really don't like these kind of talking. But anyway, the child is no longer in our house, so they have to take care of it.
exactly.
You understand what I'm
Exactly.
saying? And I was thinking about something, my husband.
What now, my wife?
I was thinking about, I wonder if we do the right thing by sending her.
I mean, yes, we do the right thing. Send her out of the house.
It's not that. I was saying that because we don't have anything, maybe she shouldn't stay with us where she mind we. Because
Oh,
we
she
don't
have
have-
mind with my wife and she
mind
have
we
a
with
job.
I don't mean our daughter. I mean my daughter mother-in-law. Remember say them have a little something, So feel say if the little girl down here, just because she want to take shame out of the eye, she will send a good amount of money come down here weekend time so we can drop offering and we can buy grocery and we can do any little thing we want to do. You know what I mean? I was just laying down and I'm thinking about that. I don't know if it's the right thing. What you think?
My wife, me not agree with that, my wife.
Why you don't agree with? We don't have anything, and now that the little girl gone, who is going to take care of us and who is going to give us something?
The Lord will provide. The Lord will provide, my wife. Don't worry yourself, man. You don't have to think like that, my wife. Right?
Okay, my husband.
We will manage.
You sure?
Yes, my wife, we will manage. And our daughter is not stupid,
I miss
She's
her.
not stupid.
You don't miss her?
I miss her, yes, my wife, but I'm still hurting inside. Probably later on things will change. You understand, my wife? But for now, I don't want to see her. I'm telling you the truth. I don't want to see her.
I lay down and I was thinking about my one daughter that God blessed me with, and I said, sometimes things happen and we can't just rush to fling them out. And what if she go out there and start to pregnant like everybody else and having this whole ton of picnic with different father? We don't want nothing bad to happen to we one picking.
So what you want to do?
I don't know. I was just saying it to you because you
You're
are
sure
the man
that
of
the
the
money
house.
make you want she come back, you my wife? You're sure that the money? Because me know you.
No, my husband. No, my husband is not the money. I just feel lonely because when you're not around, me and her can hold a proper reasoning.
Understand?
Because she's conscious. She's a conscious little girl, and I believe it's a mistake. It's a coincidence. I believe maybe that wicked boy is the one that purposely pregnant her, Me feel says the boy purposely pregnant her because he don't want to see she come out to be nothing. Because everybody know that we picnic is a bright picnic. And don't think that is really the money. The money is not it. It's just that I miss her.
All we do, my wife, tonight before we go to bed, we just pray and ask the Lord to direct we.
Yes,
And
all right.
to give you the right way of going about this situation.
Yes,
then,
because
right?
sometimes when we upset, we
do some
do
things.
some
I
crazy
agree.
stuff and we say some things that is not right because the matter come up same time and we think that anger is the best solution to the problem when it's not always so, Sometimes we need to calm down,
That's true,
relax,
my wife.
think about the matter before we just anything come out of our mouth with this pitchy out. It's because of why in our heart,
Exactly, my wife. So,
And
make we think about it tonight.
all right,
Understand?
all right, my husband. Tell you what, it past time for your dinner. You wash the rice for me, and I will cut up the meat, honey.
Yes, my
I know
wife.
you're tired, but
We
I
have
know
to-
you're hungry.
Alright, my wife.
I
Alright.
go and cut up the chicken back. You hear?
Alright.
How
my
you
wife.
want it? Curry or stew?
You can curry it. You can
Alright.
curry it, my wife.
Alright, go ahead. Let us make our dinner.
Oh boy. This situation, my wife.
It's a part of life, honey. How am my man room there? My God, this bed here looks so good. Look, Polly, he kind of sheet after mama now of them here sheet here. Kuya, I'm in man room, see me man picture there. How am me man there? Me put down me teddy bear them panny in bed. Oh, I make that the pillar drop down so. Put on me teddy bear pan me in bed. I make this up. How am me man there? Oh, then me man have in one bathroom and he make me bed in the guest bathroom. You wait till he come here. He go and see what me and him go and have out. So he can make his wife bed in the bathroom. Watch me and him in here. Because if he thinks that me and no guest here, me and wife, so what make me can bed in a film bathroom. Let me just write down some of the same thing them what me want. So me give one list of what me want. Oh, for my picnic. That me they tell you think me stupid. Me have everything locked in my head. Me want about 20 shimmies. That's only a little bit, but he can start off with 20. That a little bit, man. And me no think, me no want a nappy. Me want Huggies Pampers. Maybe he can buy about 5 or 6 pack. Are the 20 pack them? I think I 20 all in them. He can buy 5 of that. I think that's reasonable. Cause all bit for them. They can afford more than that. Why else me don't want for right now? I mean they go want some wipes too. Hungry wipes alone. And what else me picnic don't want? And he want the sitting too. And what else me could buy for me picnic?
Petra, what you doing in my bed?
Me man, you oh you mean what me then? You're not even show me your bedroom and me have to search and find it.
Petra, you can't stay in here saying what if mama come see you.
You in me room me picking you idiot. What we have grab up me suffer? You want me about me picnic? Don't treat me so cause me and your wife start hanging me like me and your wife. You hear what me say? And make me tell you something. You make me go in the guest bathroom, go wash up making. Why you never tell me say you have your one bathroom?
Petra, just me I beg you, Petra.
Go in the bed and shut up your mouth,
Listen
because
now,
me have
Petra.
sitting for set to you.
Petra, listen what me I say now. If you really love me could go in the living room go sit down.
Why
Because
make
me no want mama come see.
Me nah go in no living room. Me tired and me want to sleep in your bedroom because in here so me have to sleep. Because me I wonder what make your mother not come back yet. Lie down because we have to talk about some sitting. Me there when they write down some sitting what me want, you know.
If me sit down, you promise me say we are going to...
Me not promise you that, to be honest. I so me want and. But me only when they write down a few things what the baby want. Yeah. Me baby want 20 shimmies. You know
What
that?
do you mean by right down when baby I go want? You sure say baby I go live, Petra?
Yes, me sure say me picnic they go live. What make you happy see so? And me want
But
5
anything
pack
can't
up.
make baby, you're not even your belly, you're sure you
What that have
write
to do
down
with
things
me?
already?
Well, listen to me. Me no
You
want
know,
be
make
like.
mama write down then something that
Me don't want to be like the foolish virgin. Me they make sure I have oil in my lamp. Reserve. So me now go wait until, you think me stupid like them other people? When them they have picnic, they wait till the appointed time and they tell they run up and down like a madance. They try to get what picking they want. Well, alright, too bad. Me have everything prepared. So if you no want here, me will give you the long list of what me have. And tomorrow morning, me want write one list for tomorrow morning too. Because when they left for school, me want something when you go to school, I want ice cream. And I want you buy some.
Where want ice cream for do?
I want you raise your voice for me for. I want you to raise your voice for me for. And I want you buy one pack of lollipop for me. The bun them.
Me a walk?
Who cares if
Me
you
a
want to
walk?
walk?
Eh? Me a walk?
You see say you want me get very dirty in here. Me see say you want me lose me head pa you. Listen to me. Back up and fix up yourself, you know. You want me to say to you. You hear me I want you. From me come here you legal and like I say. You want to treat me like a piece of old cloth. Fix up your statement, you know. Cause you know say me will deal with your case, you know.
I wonder when me really put myself.
It's too late to tell me if he tell you that.
That's
why tell me if he tell you that.
That tell me say, no pick up no woman when I walk and sit me, you know.
Yeah?
I know the family them where you are going, you know.
But you never take
sorry,
it.
me even meet you.
What you sorry for? What you sorry for?
Because
Let
all
me tell
you come now, all you want to do is for your crepe,
Me
you know.
the crepe.
I just crepe, you come here to
When you went the crepe from me, when me the
What
gas
the crepe
school, me
fry you?
can't even name lunch in peace because you take it out of me mouth. I know that me pregnant for you. You want to talk about me the crepe. Let me tell you something. You see, if you when they keep your hose and then pee in me, the two of we won't pregnant. It's you pee in me and the two of we pregnant. So now you want to hang me like say me a dog. Don't treat me like say me a dog around here, you know. You better start treat me like me and your wife. That me I tell you. Oh.
Wife after me not married to you.
Oh, you mean say you're not married to me? You have been married to me. Yeah, you want me say? You have been married to me. I joke me a make. I joke me a make. When they come to me and they know say, this is when they happen to you. And that's wrong with you, no man. You know one think before you do nothing. You know just blaze up. And that's you know a grand, you know that. And then after you know blaze up, you know how to. You try left me alone in my house. Oh, that me I tell you. And tomorrow morning, me no think say me don't want to get up neither. You make me breakfast and can't come give me in a bed. Oh, I mean why you call I down and hug up me and rub down the picnic. I picnic one go sleep now.
Petra, what me a try if you say, right?
Me I listen to you.
What if me when me that think when me come in, right? Me know you get upset.
Well, if you know that same thing for me upset now, but as is a you know.
What if me and mama pay for about the baby and then we pay you and your mother and father some money? What do you think about that?
Madman! You mad? You know me feel good about this pregnancy? Don't you dare tell me nothing about you and mama about what? Me I don't afraid for you and frown.
Come to you. So
mama go come to me.
Mama suggest that, does tell her say yes.
Me if he say yes, I'm glad say me catch up here. Look here. Me in a paradise. And if you go bad picnic, you must have mad. I want to kill you in here with your picnic. And that me they tell you. Me say me now get up to Barra, so you better make sure you get up and give me egg and bread with sausage. And frankfurters too. And me don't know what for talking with you. Me never feel this a bed. This bed feel good, eh? How the bed? Where you go, me man?
What you mean by me I go? Me not stay in there so. Me have stay in there so till mama come.
Come here, man. Me have seen fi say to you.
So say me not listen me. Mama was a respective
house. Mama house a respective house. You never know that. You see how you a bad man at school. And now because you're pregnant me, you get humble. And you raise your voice for me again, you will see. Me come right down at school and make teacher everybody know say you breed me. And that me I tell you. And me they go rest the baby. Hey, me man. Me go rest the baby. How you don't give me for dessert? How you don't give me? Cause I don't with me now, me man. Me they go sleep till your mother come. If when me they sleep and your mother come, tell your mother say me we talk to her in the morning. Yeah? You hear what me say? And why am I gonna suffer? He no should have glad say me not even quarrel with him. He should have glad say me in a house in a bed. So anything at all he want to do to me. Why? Oh God. Feel this bed here. She said not even nothing much much me no write on this a paper yet. When I done the paper full up. Mama, Papa, should I see me now? I boy, they gonna like I say me stupid, you know. I saw everybody always thinks that me stupid. If he come lie down and we talk like husband and wife, he no have to talk say we don't go about nothing. No, he make we lie down and talk how we don't get married at that thing for you. Because me want one big old ring on my finger. And that thing for you know.
Ethic, a long time sister Petra. Up and Christ who them losing faith. He stand firm and just a cruising straight. When the trumpet sound, me be the first at the gate. With the lantern lights, sweet home celebrate. Goodbye world, no more trouble, no pain. Inject me last year in my vein.
Sing with the fire in me, Lord Jesus. Sing with the fire in my heart and soul. Holy Ghost, take over.
See the river just run through your bone. Me a praise my Lord and I use my tone. Oh Lord, you are worthy to be praised. Me nah give up, cause me know the journey soon over. Me stand firm for me Lord like any soldier. Michael and Gabriel take charge right now, clear the path and the